Good morning, my little stars. Good afternoon, right? This morning I didn't go to school. I slept in. I slept over my alarm, over phone calls. It's been a rough few weeks. But I went ahead, got up, and I worked out a little bit. And right now I'm going to go ahead and take a shower. So I just took a shower, I changed, and right now I'm gonna eat like something. I made coffee because I've been craving coffee for the past few days, and I really haven't ate anything, so I'm gonna eat these like rice cakes with this peanut butter. It's just great value, and these are the Quaker ones. These are like low sodium, I believe, that I'm gonna be eating. And I know I should be eating lunch right now, but because I woke up late, I'll be eating that. Hi guys, so I am back. I finished eating. I am on the phone with my girlfriend right now. We like to talk with her mom and like make jokes and just laugh, and she's amazing. So I am not gonna go to school today. It is really windy here. It's like 30 to 40 miles per hour, and I seriously don't want to walk in that situation, especially because I have a knee surgery and I have a plaque in my knee. It's screwed in. So yeah, that situation is very dangerous for me. And I'm just gonna sit here and do some homework while I'll be on the phone with my girlfriend before she like goes to work and before I even go to work today. I work at a pizza place, so my hours vary. I usually work during the week. I work 3 days, well, more. I work Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday right now. And I usually work like during the week. I work evenings, and I get out late. Sometimes I don't get out late. Like, it's just like a small shift. But the weekends I do work a lot. Sometimes I work 10 to 12 hours sometimes, and it's like really hectic. I'm balancing all this right now. Sorry if my phone goes off. My girlfriend's texting me to see where I'm at because we hung up for a little bit. But yeah. Hey guys, so it is 4:03 p.m. I'm gonna start getting ready for work because I go in like within an hour, and I work 30 minutes from where I live. So I'm gonna go ahead and get ready and update you tomorrow how my workday went and how the wind is or was, because it seems like it's gonna start raining when I'm on my way to work. So bye for right now, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, my little stars. Oh my god, guys, I guess the audio cut off because I have a do not disturb era from when my alarm rings until 10 a.m. And here I'm just talking about how it's 8:52 in the morning and I have to attend my psychology tutoring session at 9, so it would be in like 10 minutes. And I just went on and talking about work, a work that previous night wasn't that busy. My team leader was closing, so I had a lot of fun because he's awesome and I love him to death. My best friend was there, and two of my other coworkers were there and working making pizzas with me, and they're really cool, so I get along with them. So there was plenty of employees. So, I mean, it wasn't too busy at work. We had enough employees. It was dead, and we all got out on time. So, I was happy. So, if you want to like go with me, like probably later on after my tutoring session, then we'll do it. So these are 2 consecutive days of what I'm doing. So my life is kind of boring, but not really. If you find it exciting, that's awesome. I mean, I am a UTEP student, so yeah, this is the life. Hey guys, it's later in the day. It took like an hour and a half not to do anything. I just got a little ready because my girlfriend and I are gonna go out to eat something. I want to see what she picks, and or maybe I pick, because she always says I don't know what to eat. So when we come back, I'm probably gonna do homework, study, and see what else I'm gonna do throughout the day. So wish me luck to see what we're gonna eat. Hey guys, we just got back from Golden Corral, and we went to Ross because I had to get a new backpack for work. And right now I'm gonna go ahead and go to school and do some homework while my girlfriend's at work. Good morning, my little stars. So yesterday I know I didn't film or during my homework because I had forgotten my pencil case, so I watched a series on Netflix, and I read a little bit for my psychology class. Sorry, I woke up and my brain stopped functioning. So after she got out of work, we did our homicide test. So we did really good on that. After that, she dropped me off at home. I ate a little bit. It was pretty late. I don't like eating late, but when I'm sitting and stuff, like, I end up eating late. So yeah, with that, I end my vlog here, and I hope you have a good day, good night wherever you're at, and I hope to see you on the next vlog. If you want, you can go ahead and give a big thumbs up, subscribe, and leave comments down below. If you want a Q&A as well, you can go ahead and do that. So I love you, my little stars, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.